Welcome back to the Bad for the Chicken Man Show. I want to show y'all my favorite chicken pie. This my baby. This my little girl right here. I love this little girl. Every morning I come out here, I be looking for this little girl. Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl. Look at that little girl. She's so pretty. I had to separate her from the other chicken because she got that little man syndrome. You know what I'm saying? She got that little man syndrome. She want to fight everything that come around her. And if you can't see, she's a bantam. She's small. Super small. But she don't want to hear that. She ain't trying to hear that. She attacking everything. Roosters and all. So every time I put a new chicken out here, she got to go test it. And see if it's worthy enough to be out here. And it don't seem like none of them be worthy because she be attacking them still. Especially when I be feeding her, she come out there and try to take over all the food. After she get through eating, she be like, all right, now y'all can eat. But far as her just eating, man, she ain't trying to hear that. She ain't trying to let you ain't finna eat before her. But that's what I wanted to show y'all, my favorite chicken.